He did a great job. It's wonderful to be out of pain after 5 years.
Well, thank you.
Been to many doctors and had all kinds of treatments. They guaranteed work and nothing worked.
Okay, Dr. Ara Deuk-Majan, CEO and founder of Deuk Spine, here with one of my patients who just underwent a Deuk laser disc repair, endoscopic annular repair at L5S1. If you were watching surgery earlier, he's agreed to do a video with us. Tell me about your back injury. When did it happen?
And 5 years ago.
5 years ago. And you had a fusion done at L4-5 about a year and a half ago.
Yes.
We saw that on the x-ray. Did that fusion fix your back pain?
It didn't help a bit. No.
So, and I didn't do it, just so you know.
You didn't do it.
I didn't do the fusion, but I did fix your back today, didn't we?
Yes.
And do you still have the back pain you've had for the last 5 years?
No.
You told me. Yeah, you told me when you get up, that's when you get the pain.
Yep.
And you're up. Do you have that pain?
No pain.
Can you show us where the pain was in your back before? Turn around a little bit, show these people.
Right across my waistline.
Right through here.
Yeah.
And you still have that pain?
No.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Say it again.
The pain is gone.
All right. Anything else you want to say to these people?
He did a great job. It's wonderful to be out of pain after 5 years.
Well, thank you.
Been to many doctors and had all kinds of treatments. They guaranteed work and nothing worked.
All right, well,
nothing.
I'm glad you put your faith and trust at Deuk Spine Institute.
Oh, we're sure glad we found you.
All right, good. All right, go home and enjoy the rest of your life.
Thank you.
Thank you.